People spend hours building dashboards in Power BI and Tableau. But what if I told you AI can build same dashboard in under 5 minutes with just one prompt? In this video, I will show you how to create a fully interactive dashboard using Claude AI. No coding, no complex tool, just your data and one smart trick. In this video, I will show you how to create a fully interactive dashboard using Claude AI. Now, normally, building dashboards in tools like Power BI or Tableau takes a time. You need to clean data, design visuals, apply filters, and build everything step by step. But today, we are going to skip all of that. So without wasting any time, let's see how to build dashboards using Claude AI. So once you log in into Claude AI account, you have three options to go with, either free version or pro or max version. You can do this activity by using free version itself, right? Free version has its own limitation. You can use it for the limited amount of time considering the prompts and all those stuff. But yes, you can do this activity using the free version itself. Okay. So to start with, this is the sample data set which we have. Guys, I have taken it from net itself. I have asked AI agent only to build this. So this is just the dummy data which we have, and we will tell Claude AI to build the appropriate dashboards for us so that our job become easy to read this complete data. Okay, so to start with, first we will just upload the data set on Claude AI. Right now, guys, what we are going to do here is we will ask Claude AI itself to prepare the appropriate prompt for us. Okay, so I have already written what kind of input we need to give now, so that we can ask Claude AI to build the appropriate prompt for us. Right, so you can see that act as a 0.001% expert in prompt engineering and build the dashboards to the complete analysis. Okay, and then you need to clean this data, filter out this data, assume that we need to present this data to CEO or CFO of any company. Okay, and it should be able to prepare at least 10 plus visuals, graphical representation. Okay, so this is what we are going to give Claude AI, and then it is going to give us final prompt. Okay, so let's click. So whatever prompt we are going to get now, we will use it as an input in our next step. Okay, so let's wait for a minute. Okay, let's see. So now Claude AI has given us the prompt. Okay, if you scroll down, so guys, see this. This is the prompt which Claude AI has given us, and we can use this prompt as it is. Okay, and don't worry, guys, I'm going to paste both the prompts. Okay, the prompt number one, the previous one which we gave, and the final one as well. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt here again, and I will attach the data set. Okay, now let's see. I'm just going to click on give me the dashboard. That's it. Let's wait for a minute now and see what kind of results we get here. So just like that, your dashboard is ready. Okay, so you can see on the right hand side your detailed dashboard is ready. Right, so we can also download it. If we scroll down, if you just click on download. Okay, so it will be getting downloaded, and let's now try to open it. Okay, so if I open this, see guys, now you can see this complete dashboard. It is ready. Right, you get revenue, you get profit metrics, you get customer metrics, multiple visual charts, filters, right, and even automated insights. Guys, this everything is generated using AI itself. Okay, so that's really cool. You can use Claude AI to do such stuff. Okay, even tools like ChatGPT can help you to do the complete analysis, but Claude AI handles the structured data and dashboard generation really well. So remember this, better prompts means the better results. That's the real power of AI tools like Claude AI. Tools like Power BI and Tableau are still powerful, but AI can help you get there much faster. Power BI, Tableau, or Claude AI? What's your pick? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you found this video really helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.